Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2014 MAZDA Atenza Smart Key.
Program the smart key. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key. Now, plug in OBD communication cable. Select IMO and remote. Find Mazda, China, Atenza. Select 2013-2016. Program Smart Key. Select Add Smart Key. Turn on the ignition. OK. Part number identified. OK. The car has been programmed key quantity 1. OK. Place the unregistered smart key on start button. Do not move. Click OK. Programming now. For app models, step on the brake. Click OK. Determined by the number of programming keys 2. Turn off the ignition. OK. Follow the prompts. Click OK when done. Program complete. OK. Key program successful. Let's see if the keys work. First key, step on the brake and press the start button. The first key was successfully started into the car. The second key steps on the brake and presses the start button. The second key started successfully. Let's try again. Is the remote control normal? The first key locks the car and unlocks it. The second key locks the car and unlocks it. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2014 MAZDA Atenza. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.